Hello students, in this video we are going to study the MCQs which are based on lesson number 2, that is digital marketing, lesson number 4 e-commerce and e-governance, and lesson number 6, that is enterprise resource planning. So these all chapters belongs to standard 12th for commerce stream. So let us start with the first question for IT subject. So the first question is, manipulating Google's algorithm to improve the website ranking is dash hat SEO. So here we have the options like black, red, green and gray. So we know that only two types of SEOs are present, that is black hat SEO and white hat SEO. So black is the correct answer. Next question, web analytics service offered by Google to track and report website traffic is dash. So options are Google and web. So here the answer is Google Analytics. So you just have to type the answer, that is Google Analytics. Next question, license renewal is an example of G2C or G2G e-governance. So the license are used by the citizen and it is given by the government. So whenever if you want to renew your license, it comes under G2C. So G2C is the right answer. Next question, the dash module can collect financial data from various functional departments and generate valuable financial reports. So the right answer is financial module. So it is dealing with all the financial things. So the answer is going to be financial module. Next question, and dash is a group of people and other resources working together for a common goal. So the right answer is enterprise. In the enterprise, the group of people and other resources, they work together to achieve a common goal. The next section of this exam is true or false. So the first true or false is, organic search, also known as natural search, refers to unpaid search result. So this is totally true. Organic search are called as unpaid search and pay-per-click search is called as the paid search. Next question, C2C type of e-commerce deals with business and customer. So this statement is totally false. C2C type of e-commerce deals with customer to customer, and business and customer, this type of e-commerce deals with B2C. Next question, m-commerce can be used through desktop computers. So this is false. M-commerce means mobile commerce and it is basically used with the help of mobile devices which are wireless. So the desktop computers, they have wire. So this statement is false. Next question, MIS is implemented by the company to handle its contact with customer. So this statement is false. MIS is not implemented for this purpose. CRM, that is customer relationship management, module is used to handle the contact with the customer. Next question, planning helps to improve for future performance of an organization. So this statement is true. Definitely whenever we plan, we are planning it for the future performance, not for the past performance. Hence this statement is true. Next question, in digital marketing, SEO means special executive operations. So this statement is totally false. So next question, the paid advertisement on Google can be identified by paid keyword. So if you want to recognize whether it is a paid advertisement, you can recognize with the ad keyword or sponsored keyword, not with the pay keyword. So hence it is false. Next question, digital marketing requires physical market. So this statement is false. Digital marketing does not require physical market. It is done with the help of electronic devices using internet. Next question, e-commerce provides more options to compare and select the cheaper and better options. Definitely e-commerce has a global scope. You can get various types of options and you can find out the cheapest price of any of the product. So this statement is true. Next question, crawler is a program used by the search engine to collect the data from the website. So this is true. Next section is MCQs with one correct option. So the first question is, E-wallet is a type of Dash account in which a user can store money for any further online transactions. So here we have options like Post, Pre, GSM and none of them. So e-wallet is one of the prepaid wallet. So you can store the money in it and you can use it whenever you have to purchase something. Next question. Paying tax is an example of Dash e-governance. So you have several options like G2E, G2B. Now the citizens, they always pay the tax. So this is going to come under G2C. Next question. Invoice and payment are included in Dash phase of trade cycle. So here we have all these four options are definitely the phases of trade cycle, but settlement is the phase in which we do the things like creating an invoice and making a payment. Next question. Dash SEO involves looking for ways to improve user experiences ethically and genuinely. So here we have options like white hat, black hat, red hat and green hat. So the right answer is white hat, which is a genuine SEO. Next question. If the speed of displaying the website is slow, then Dash ranking method is used. So here no such load page method exists. On page, off page and technical exist. The right answer for the slowdown of website. So for that purpose you require technical SEO. Next question. The product of Google Analytics was originally developed by Dash company. So the right answer is Urchin. It was originally developed by Urchin and later on it was sold to Google. Next question. Valid two types of keywords Dash and Dash are used to rank your website. So keywords are basically long tail or short tail. So these are the first option is the right answer. No such big tail, shorter tail, small tail, lengthy tail exist. Next question. Valid approaches SEO to generate traffic to your website are Dash. So here you have the options like on page, off page, technical SEO, all the above. So all of them are the approaches which helps you to generate traffic to your website. Next question. Marketing channels in digital marketing are Dash. So you have the options like email marketing, content marketing, mobile marketing, all the above. So all of them are the channels which comes under digital marketing. Next question. A dash is a visual representation of your website and business. So users will identify with your brand based on the shortcut icon, website icon, tab icon, URL icon and bookmark icon you use. So you have options like iframe, flash, favicon and device re-rendering. So favicon is the right answer. Next question. Different types of resources in an enterprises are. So you require basically four types of resources in your enterprise, that is men, material, money and machine. So all of them, that is all the above is the right answer. Next question. MCQ, choose two correct option. The first question is encryption consists of two processes, dash and dash. So here the right answer is encryption and decryption. Next question. Social commerce is a subset of electronic commerce that involves social media like dash and dash. So here we have the right answer as all of them are the social medias except software, but Facebook and Twitter is the right answer. Next question. List down any two limitations of ERP implementation. So you have the options like reliability, performance, open source, high cost, security control. So reliability and performance are the advantage of ERP and high cost and security control are the disadvantage or limitations of ERP. Next question. In e-commerce, commonly used payment modes are credit card, mobile payment, bank transfer and e-wallet. So the right answer is credit card, e-wallet, mobile payment and bank transfer. Check payment, demand draft, Bitcoin are not belonging to e-commerce payments. Next question. A general e-commerce trade cycle consists of following phases. So basically we have total 4 phases, that is pre-sales, execution, settlements and after sales. So option A and B are the right answers. Next section is MCQs with 3 correct options. Some of the popular ERP packages are, so you have the options like Internet Explorer, Microsoft, Tally ERP, SAP, Oracle and Linux. So the popular ERP packages are Tally ERP, SAP and Oracle. Next question, list down the technologies which are used along with the ERP packages. So along with ERP, we use the technologies like Management Information System, that is MIS, Supply Chain Management System, that is SCM, Decision Support System, that is DSS. DBMS, RDBMS, they belongs to database which are not coming under ERP packages. So those are not the right answers. Option A, B and C are the correct answers. Next question, list down different modules of ERP system. So the modules of ERP systems are HR module, that is human resource module, manufacturing module and finance module. So this is all about the MCQs according to the board pattern for IT paper. So it is basically based on lesson number 2, digital marketing, e-commerce and e-governance and enterprise resource planning, that is ERP. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe the channel.